If you are over 80 years old, listen closely. Doctors are now calling this the most critical daily ritual for your heart. And here is the shocking part. Most people your age ignore it completely. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, why it works, and how to start it today. Stay with me until the end. Point number 4 will surprise even the healthiest senior. If you have ever felt your heart skip, race, or just not feel right, even once, comment the word yes right now. Let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I had an 82-year-old patient named Frank. Frank walked 2 miles every day. He ate his vegetables. He took his blood pressure pills. But his heart still felt weak, tired. He came to me frustrated. "Doc, what am I missing?" I asked him one question. It changed everything. What I told Frank is the same thing I'm about to tell you. And Frank's heart is now stronger than it's been in 15 years. Stay with me. The ritual itself takes just 5 minutes a day. Point number 1. The daily ritual most seniors over 80 ignore is not a pill, not a diet, and not exercise. It's a 5-minute breathing practice called box breathing. Most seniors over 80 have never heard of it. Even fewer do it. Why? Because it sounds too simple, too easy. But here is what the medical research shows. Box breathing lowers your heart rate, stabilizes your blood pressure, and reduces the stress hormone cortisol. And cortisol, as you may know, is a silent heart killer. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night with your heart pounding, drop a 1 in the comments. That's a sign your body is stuck in fight or flight mode. Box breathing fixes that. Point number 2. Here is the hard truth. Most doctors are busy. They have 15 minutes to see you. They focus on the big things, medications, tests, surgery. They don't have time to teach you breathing techniques. But cardiologists at leading heart centers now recommend box breathing as a primary tool for seniors with mild heart failure, high blood pressure, or arrhythmia. One study from 2022 followed 200 adults over 75. Those who did 5 minutes of box breathing daily for 8 weeks lowered their resting heart rate by an average of 12 beats per minute. That is the difference between a heart that works hard and a heart that works well. Comment 2 below if you want a heart that works well. Point number 3. Remember Frank. The 82-year-old who walked 2 miles a day. I taught him box breathing. He was skeptical. He said, "Doc, I'm just breathing like normal." I told him, "No, Frank, you're breathing shallow, that's the problem." Shallow breathing forces your heart to beat faster to get enough oxygen. Deep rhythmic breathing tells your nervous system, "Relax, you are safe." After 30 days of box breathing, Frank came back. His blood pressure dropped from 148/92 to 128/78. His heart rate variability, a major marker of heart health, improved by 35%. Frank said he felt 5 years younger. I'm not promising you will feel 5 years younger, but I'm promising you this. Your heart will thank you. If you have a parent or friend over 80 who needs this, share this video with them right now. They might not see it otherwise. Point number 4. This is the part most people skip because they think it's complicated. It's not. Watch closely. First, sit up straight, feet flat on the floor. Second, breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, slowly. Third, hold that breath for 4 seconds. Fourth, breathe out through your mouth for 4 seconds, slowly. Fifth, hold your lungs empty for 4 seconds. That is 1 round. Do this for 5 minutes. That's about 8 to 10 rounds. Do it once in the morning, once before bed. That's it. No equipment, no pills, no cost. If you just tried that with me, comment 3 below. Let me see how many of you are already doing it. But here is something most doctors will never tell you. You've heard about the benefits of breathing for stress and blood pressure. That's the surface. The real reason box breathing is critical for seniors over 80, the thing that makes it truly life-changing, is coming up in point number 5. Most people stop at point 4. They learn the technique and move on. They miss the hidden benefit, the one that protects your heart from the most dangerous threat of all. Stick with me. You don't want to miss this. Point number 5. The hidden benefit is this. Box breathing improves your deep sleep. Sleep quality is the #1 overlooked heart risk for seniors over 80. When you sleep poorly, your body releases more cortisol and adrenaline. Your blood pressure rises. Your heart works overtime. Box breathing before bed resets your nervous system. It tells your brain, it's time to rest. One clinical trial found that seniors who did box breathing for 5 minutes before sleep, for 6 weeks, saw a 28% reduction in nighttime heart rate spikes. That means fewer middle-of-the-night panic episodes, fewer trips to the emergency room, and a heart that repairs itself instead of wearing out. If you have struggled with insomnia or waking up breathless, comment 4 below. You are not alone. And this ritual is for you. Let me leave you with 3 simple takeaways. Number 1. Your heart does not need complicated routines. It needs deep, rhythmic breathing. That is the daily ritual most seniors ignore. Number 2. Box breathing takes 5 minutes. You can do it sitting in your favorite chair. No gym. No expense. Number 3. The biggest benefit happens at night. Better sleep, lower stress, and a stronger heart while you rest. I want you to live a long, healthy, active life. Not just survive. Thrive. You deserve a heart that can carry you through grandkids' morning walks and Sunday dinners. So here is my challenge to you. Starting tomorrow morning, do box breathing for 5 minutes. Do it for 30 days. Come back to this video and comment, I did it. I'll read every single one. Now the most important thing you can do. Share this video with someone over 65 who needs to hear it. You might just save their heart. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more senior health secrets, and take good care of your heart. And take care of yourself. See you in the next one.